Hi guys, today we're going to test how safe our window glass is in case if somebody puts their hand or head outside. If it starts closing, will it not cause any damage? Let's find out. So first I will try this toy. So I'll start actually closing the window and put it outside like this. Ooh, look at that. If it was a real cat or dog, it would be in trouble. Did you see that? It pressed it all the way like this. So again, I'm not sure if it's safe enough, so I will risk it and I will put my, you know what, I'll put my head outside and see if it's gonna work. Oof. Okay guys, as you could see, it's quite safe. I was joking about the toy. The toy is actually soft, that's why it went that far. But if you put an object inside, it will stop and won't cause any damage. Also, please keep in mind that the pinch protection system may not function properly if the 12-volt battery has been disconnected recently. The pinch protection system will have to be reset. So first we will turn ignition on in the vehicle, then we will open the window all the way and we will close it. Now you will need to pull the button up 3 times. You will hear that the window will move down and back up. It means that it has calibrated itself, and basically calibration on this side or reset is complete. Then you will have to repeat the process on each of the doors. So again, we will open and close the window. You can either use the button on this switch or on the master switch, and we will pull it 3 times. You will hear the same sound, the window will go down and back up, and this window is also has been reset, the pinch protection system.